I'm going to show you how to replace a fridge or freezer seal on a green line cabinet. So pull it out. It's a green line fridge. I've got a freezer over here. It's the exact same door, same type of steel, same everything. So when you open the cabinet, you'll find the model number will be up here. So this type of seal is a push-in seal. So if you grab it by the corner and just pull it away slowly, it'll peel out of a channel going around the door. It's very easy to remove. You can do it with one hand. So I usually start in the corner and just peel the rest out. Just like this. It should just come straight out of the channel. And just along the bottom. Boom. All right. Now I grab the new door seal. Just like that. Unravel it. All right. Now on the back is a dart, which will clip into that channel going around the door. So you want to start in the top corners, just like this, and very easily just clip it in. Start with the other corner. I'll show you actually. So you line it up and it just clips straight in. Now we have premium door seals for a lot of these brands, so our seals are better than the originals. They're also much easier to install. So you can do this with literally one hand. Save yourself a couple $100. It's just clipping into the door yourself. You do want to start in the corners, so you should be putting the bottom corner in after putting the top corner in, just so you don't stretch it. All right, look at that, it's perfect. Just do along the bottom and the opening side. Alrighty, it's now looking beautiful. And you just close the door, boom. Come around, and it's sealing perfectly. If you do find that after putting the door seal on, you might get a couple of gaps or a small gap like this, you just use a hairdryer and warm the door seal, and it will slowly expand out by itself until it covers that gap. So there you go, green line door seal, very easy to install. Make sure you contact us for more information.